Every time dumadaan kami dito, laging puno. Hi, we are Here Come the Tans and we tried Elephant Grounds. Finally, we were able to get a table from this famous coffee place. Iced salted caramel with oat milk for Mark, iced Swiss mocha with soy milk for me. Coffee cheers with a husband, hindi ko na mix so yung first sip ko talagang sinampal ako ng kape. Nagustuhan ko siya kasi hindi masyadong matamis and maganda yung balance ng chocolate with the coffee. Then we ordered furikake fries with Japanese aioli dip na nagustuhan ng lahat, pati ng twins and Isabel. Another dish is yung karaage waffle na very light and crispy yung waffle tapos ang interesting kasi maple soy yung syrup nila. Kahit yung twins na enjoy din nila. Next is yung salmon mentaiko na rice bowl nila. Sweet and salty flavors from the salmon and the unagi sauce and iba-ibang klaseng texture pati yung tobiko na nagpa-pop inside the mouth. Nakakatuwa na na-try na namin siya and gets na namin bakit lagi siyang puno. That's it. Thank you for watching!